CES 2026 is all about big screens, futuristic robots. Sometimes the smartest innovations are the ones that are making your life a lot more comfortable. And I'm here today at JisuLife showcasing their brand new handheld fan Ultra 2, and I have it right here. And honestly, this little thing right here is very powerful. So let's go ahead and see what it has to offer, what's the battery life like, and who can benefit from this little thing. So let's go ahead and get started. Before getting into the product, it's worth understanding the brand. JisuLife is a global leader in high-speed USB fan innovation, known for blending minimalist design with powerful performance. And they ship 50 million units worldwide on focus in one mission, helping people feel good through thought and everyday tech. And walking through the booth, you see the full ecosystem of portable airflow products. Everything feels premium, intentional, and well thought out. And nothing here feels gimmicky. The products are compact, solid, and clearly designed for people who are always on the move, travel, outdoor events, daily commuting, and even emergency use.
Hey, my name is Brian Mates, and I work here at JisuLife. And I wanted to introduce you to the Ultra 2, one of our most powerful SKUs. It's got a 9,000 milliamp battery and is also a portable charger. It has 100 speeds. The top speed can blow the sweat right off of your face. It's really great. I use it every day. I use it after I get out of the shower. Sometimes I use it to blow smoke out of the kitchen after I cook. I use it for all kinds of things. It also comes with attachable nozzles that you can use to clean a keyboard, an air focus nozzle that you can use for blow drying hair or blow inflating air mattresses and things like that. It's my personal favorite. It's got a nice premium feel to it. It has a digital LED screen that shows you both battery level and fan speed. It has a powerful flashlight that has 3 different brightnesses plus a strobe. And it also has a safety lock feature. Put it in your bag and you don't want it to turn on. In addition to being a great cooling device that keeps you cool and helps you relax and helps you just take a moment and take a breath, it also acts as a utility tool, and it does a lot of things around the house. I use it to blow away cobwebs. Sometimes there are just some things that you need air power for, and this satisfies that. So I think pretty much everybody could benefit from this.
Let's see what it sounds like, because it's pretty powerful. Let's go ahead and turn it on. You just gotta tap it once. Just gonna put it right next to the microphone to see if we can pick up levels. Are we picking up levels of the fan? This is number 1 right now. Let's go ahead and put it to 100. Feels like a jet engine at this point. So we're getting the good levels out of this because it sounds very powerful. He's probably, my cameraman is probably getting all this wind over there. But this is what it sounds like, and this is from 0 to 100. So I think it's very powerful. And if you can't see me, I'm right here with this really cool light. Pretty cool. JisuLife is also teasing several products upcoming in 2026, including the handheld fans, table fans, and stroller fans. Each one follows the same design language. It's compact, powerful, and a lifestyle focus. And it's clear they're not just slowing down when it comes to innovation. So what makes JisuLife different is that they're not overcomplicating things. They take everyday problems, heat, discomfort, portability, and solve them with a thoughtful design and real performance. And it's practical tech that you can actually use in everyday life. So walking through CES and looking for smart portable tech that genuinely improves your comfort, I think JisuLife was definitely worth stopping by. So the Ultra 2 is the perfect example of how much functionality you can pack into a really compact and well-designed device. So go ahead and check out JisuLife's products and see how they're redefining portable airflow to keep you cool everywhere you go. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.